Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, today we are starting installation also. Okay, yeah. Installation is a big process, but easy process. First step today we are telling, then next extension, settings, all the things tomorrow. Now, first observe it here. Before we are going to start installation, some small concepts I am telling in a previous class. Enterprise edition I am telling only. Some commands I am telling, but the default tool is SQL plus tool only. In that tool, what is the problem? Already we are discussing only. And now here, check it out. In this tool, whenever we are doing a what current user means show space user, already I'm telling Scott user, okay, system user, anything. In this user, predefined tables, it is extra users only. I want to view all the tables means select star from tab only. Then automatically predefined tables also displayed here. EMP, DEPT, predefined tables, I'm telling you, previous class. But unfortunately, what the problem is, small tables, we are displaying a what in SQL plus tool, there is no problem. I'm telling previous class side. Select star from DEPT, there is no problem. But big table we are displaying means that is not displayed properly. Already I'm telling. Suppose here, this is a table, select the star from EMP like this. Predefined table that one. It does not display. Why it is not displayed? Oracle Corporation telling me is observe it here. In SQL plus tool is a problem. This tool. In this tool, each line having a maximum 80 bytes. More than 80 bytes is there in a line means then automatically the next columns are displayed in the next line. That's why it will be gap is generated. If you want to interested to view that one means show space all we are typing only. In that one SQL plus default commands are available. SQL plus tool default commands are there. One is a line size is a command is there or line is a command. In this one SQL plus tool, sorry, 80 is a maximum size they are giving. More than 80 we are using means then automatically problem is solved. How we are setting means set is a keyword is there. Line size or line. More than 80 means in 100,000, 10,000, anything also we are typing. Then you are typing a what? A big tables also, there is no problem. At least table format only displayed or not. Up to this one we are discussing yesterday. Again, another problem is there. Now slowly observe it here. SQL plus tool side. What is the problem? Suppose here up to this one yesterday we are discussing also. Here employee number is a column maybe in this EMP table. This is a column name. Here data is there like this, but unfortunately after column name some data is available also. After data somewhere again column name is repeated. What is this one? Again column name is repeated. Here also e name is a column is there. This is a column name only. Here some data is there. Okay, what is this one? Again this column is repeated. Okay, again e name is repeated. Again, job is a column is there also, you are observing or not, some data is displayed also. Again, that job column name is repeated. Why it is repeated? I don't want like this. I want to display same like a small table. So properly I want to display. I don't want to again repeat a what? A column names. How can I means we must set environment. But why it is displayed like that means reason is there. Now check it out. Concentrate here. In SQL plus tool, each page, this is a page only. Each page having a what? A maximum 14 lines, including this one, these gaps, all the things. Okay, so now here combination only, it will be counting as server maximum 14 lines they are giving. Why they are giving 14? Nobody knows. Just actually they are giving a what? Maximum 14 lines. Whenever more than 14 lines are there in our table, then automatically that will be treated as a new page only. That's why maybe column names are repeated. To overcome this problem, we must set a page size environment variable. But before we are going to start that one, just you are interested to view show all means observe here. Yes, page size is an environment variable is there or not, check it out. This SQL plus variable, not a okay, it's an SQL language. Okay, here page size. These are format commands only. Don't worry. SQL plus tool side. 1 or 2 commands. You have an idea also enough. First time you come. Page size is a what? SQL plus tool command. Maximum how many rows are there, including null values, including okay, ciphers, including columns, like that only. Here maximum which one? 14 lines for a page they are giving. More than 14 lines are there in our table, means automatically column names are repeated, because that will be treated as a new page. Now check it out. I'm interested to set the environment. How can I mean? Oracle Corporation telling set here page size, here page size more than 14 or 20 or 30 or 40 or 50 or anything, just roughly idea purpose. Just I am giving a what, a 50 like this. Oh, maybe 15 rows only in every table. Okay, then only it will be treated as a new table only. That's the new column, like that. So now here, observe here, select a star from table name. Here there is no problem. Okay. This is a big table also in SQL plus tool side. Oh, maybe properly displayed or not? Oh, yes, here this is a what? A table columns. And also these rows automatically displayed. Better to know this one also. Write it. Some theory. Already up to set line in a number, set this one you are writing or not? Yes, yeah. Page also right. Next para. Finished this one. Example, yesterday we are writing. Yeah, write it. This theory, write it. In SQL plus tool, write it this theory. Up to some stage, write it. In SQL plus tool side only. In SQL plus tool by default, in SQL plus tool by default, each page having maximum 14 rows. In SQL plus tool by default, each page having maximum 14 rows. Whenever our table having more than 14 lines, whenever our table having more than 14 lines, then automatically column names are repeated in a table. Then automatically column names are repeated in a table. To overcome this problem, then we must set. To overcome this problem, then we must set SQL plus tool on. To overcome this problem, then we must set SQL plus tool page size. SQL plus tool page size environment variable by using following syntax. SQL plus tool page size environment variable by using following syntax. Okay, syntax, right? SQL prompt only. Set is a command is there. Page size is a predefined command is there. Space in a number, semicolon. Completed. Yes, very good. This example also, right? Just maybe after installation you are typing these commands, means you are write it. Example, set a page size 50 or 100, anything your own wish. Select star from table. Then big table also properly displayed, no? Yeah. Complete. Very good. Suppose you are a first time newcomer. You don't know that SQL plus tool commands also not a problem. Just at least these two commands you want to interested to refer means if you want to view this default values and also anybody changing what environment variable that values, just to show space all you are typing means enough. In SQL prompt, just to show space all you are typing means automatically all the commands it will be displayed. This is not a SQL language. SQL plus tool environment setting commands. Because why I'm telling this one means in a future Oracle PLSQL is there, no? In that case, server output, these type of things we are using only. That's purpose. So now here, write a note, write it. Write a note. Note, write it. If you want to view all predefined. If you want to view, write it this theory. First time, no theory, write it at least once. If you want to view all predefined SQL plus tool environment commands and the related default values, then we are using following syntax. Under related default values, then we are using following syntax. Syntax, go to SQL prompt, show space all semicolon. Oh, enough. Based on this small knowledge, we are installing a what Oracle software possible. It is also not required, just idea purpose I'm telling only, maybe anybody interested to type these commands after installation or okay, yeah. Now today we are starting a first concept, that is what installation I'm telling, because in a software also installation. So no better to know before we are going to work in a way that software. But unfortunately, compared to all Oracle version software, 19C, 27, 21C, installation that easy. How much easy means today you are understandable. But setting a what environment and user changing okay, passwords, I will tell you that is next case only. That is different concept. But at least basic level installation that easy. Everyone in a Windows side very easy way they are installing. And now here write it side heading. Oracle 19C installation process. 5 or 6 or 7 steps are there, easy understandable. Only one step, only big step, remaining all the things easy. Write it. Oracle 19C installation process. Okay, now free trial softwares they are giving only in Oracle Corporation. Slowly observe it here how you are installing a what Oracle's 19C or 21C software means that easy. And now here check it out. First step is go to Google. Don't write it, don't just observe it. Here we have to type it Oracle software downloads. You have to type it. Then automatically Oracle software downloads Oracle Corporation site, it will display. In this site only, here, observe it here, database is option is there. Observe here, database, middleware, Java, development, so many applications are there. Yeah, softwares are. Here, database is a tab is there. You have to click database. Now, whenever database option you are selecting means in this one, here, observe here, Enterprise Edition or Standard Edition is a software is there in our Oracle. Again, Express Edition is there, another software only. But I am preferring a what Enterprise Edition because you are also first time newcomer. Also, better to write. Okay, better to download Enterprise Edition. Why? Because Express Edition working, I am agree, but learner side means Enterprise Edition is a better option because all features are also working, and extra user spot user is there. Predefined tables are also available, easily understandable. So not only that one, Oracle's okay, so now original edition also Enterprise Edition in a real time project. But outside this is our trailing software also. Just how can I install? I will tell you. First observe here is an Enterprise Edition. We have to select it here. This one. Once I'm selecting a what enterprise edition here, Windows side here, Windows, Microsoft Windows 64. Yes, Windows side zip folder is there. That Oracle software. But this is a dangerous mechanism. I am also here also try to download a what that zip folder. Oracle Corporation asking a what Oracle account only. That much of powerful. So now here all occasional persons does not have a Oracle account only. In a project side means okay, maybe everyone having a Oracle account only outside they are creating. But whenever anybody doesn't have an Oracle account also, don't afraid only just a security reasons. Maybe how many number of users are daily okay, so downloading a what the software, that identification purpose this concept they are giving. In a olden days directly download, but nowadays observe here I try to download this one here automatically. Yes, here it will be asking a what Oracle account or not license, it will be asking. Suppose here now here I try to download like this. Whenever I try to download here, observe here it will be asking a what username and password. Sign in only, okay, then only you have to download, otherwise impossible. But this username, okay, so now here this password, you don't have an idea also, not a problem, because we are creating our own username and password. So you are also creating a what your own user. So now here Oracle account purpose, installation permission purpose. So now here you are creating a what, yes, here that username, and also once register means here create a new account is there, no, like this only is registration form, how you are filling same like something it will be filling only, then automatically username and password will be coming, then daily we are connecting only, okay, installation enabled in first, okay, yeah, like that only. Now here I'm already downloaded that file, observe here zip file is there, that one I am downloading only. Don't reckon, just observe. Already I downloaded occasion of here that software. Whenever that I'm downloading a what that occasion of your Oracle software, this one here, this is a zip folder only. Better to unzip this one. Right click, extract here. Something is there or not? Yes, here. We are unzip only. Whenever we are using a what here unzip, what happened means observe here. Then automatically one folder is created here. Folder. Windows folder is created. In this one, double click. So now here, yes. Whenever double click this one, just automatically setup file is there. You are observing or not, setup file here. Everywhere also setup or not, yes. Here. Now setup.exe file. We are double click this one. Simple. It will be starting a what. So now here like this. That's why always simple steps only. First go to Oracle site. Otherwise, in a Google, you have to type it only. Oracle software downloads better option. Easy, no? That site through your Oracle database, you have to select it. In that one, so many options are there. One of these days, you are selecting a what? Enterprise edition. In that enterprise edition only, these type of things we are selecting is automatically installed. It will take a time, don't worry. Maybe 2 minutes wait only. Yes, here, observe here. Oracle 19C database, it will be displayed or not. After that one, after 1 or 2 minutes after, automatically radio buttons are displayed here. These radio buttons onwards installation start. Which one we have to select it in a desktop and laptop. Otherwise, which software you are selecting from the where remote server access only. Slowly observe here. 2 radio buttons are there. Each and every time one we are selecting. Database servers me slow, but I'm taking a snapshots also next. Don't worry. Just observe it here. I'm waiting about 2 minutes or 3 minutes after that one here. Configure, create and configure a single instance database, setup software only. First, you are selecting this one. Like that each and every phase, we are selecting a something, desktop class, server class. I will tell you, okay, this is the way. Now that's why here, how much easy. And now here, don't afraid only how you are installing a what this Oracle software means. Better option is Google through. So now here, observe here. Suppose this one you don't have an idea also, some link I am giving only through that one, download it. Observe here. First here, Oracle software downloads again. And now here I'm telling first time no. This is Oracle software downloads. Just observe it here. Database option is there, select it. Here, Oracle database enterprise editions, express editions are there. In that one only, so many things are there. Go to where Microsoft Windows side I'm telling. Windows only, Windows operating system side, 64-bit, not at this one 32-bit, 64-bit only one. And now in the Windows 64-bit, here zip folder is there. This one we have to download it first. Once okay, Oracle account already there means you have to now connect to the where Oracle account and the download option they are giving through that one we are downloading. Otherwise, you don't have an idea Oracle account means just create that account because security reasons side may be there. Giving only this one. Create account through that one we have to download. Okay, yeah. Suppose whenever you are downloading, that is a zip folder is there. Zip folder actually. After downloading here, zip folder is there. In this zip, right click, extract files. Then automatically here this Windows DB home it will display. That is the software. Now unzip no. So now here I'm clicking this one. Here automatically setup is there. In this setup only you have to select it. Then execution start. Sorry, installation starting. Or means I will tell you step by step. Suppose here you are a first time newcomer, non-technical person. These websites, these are all the things you are confusing. For example, then one other giving a one link only. That is also same thing, but direct link only. And now here yes, that one through you are installing also not a problem. Suppose here I'm copying this one other writing this one only installation steps only. So no, that is those persons are differently installing. Don't worry. And now here I am installing Oracle Corporation guidelines this only. But here this one now here check it out. Anybody interested to check this? That is also same path, but directly. Okay, so now here observe here in a Google and copy paste. I'm giving here observe here this other telling a link also directly there. Here observe here yes, 64-bit side here. This is a link. This link you are clicking also yes it will be down. This is easy no? Yes here anything okay your own wish. But this one we are clicking also same thing here Windows side only. That zip file you have to 64-bit like this. Now then automatically same thing. But first method is easier method no? Yeah. So now here. Anybody interested to either link through, otherwise this Oracle software side, your own wish. Write it. Step one, this link I'm giving copying only. Otherwise, you are a good programmer means bank. So now the table, sorry, this table through possible or not? Yes. 1 minute only in a chart box. This is non-technical person purpose, this site only. Otherwise, go to Google better. Okay, yeah. In a Google on Oracle site is there, through that one better. Okay. In a chat box only that link is there. In a non-technical person is there, use this link. Otherwise, technical persons are there. Little bit of knowledge is there in software means go to Google, Oracle downloads, software downloads, you have to type it. That is better option. Better option, that one only. This one, write it. This is the first step. This other giving a link, that's why. Your own wish in a step also. Okay, na? PDF they are giving only, don't worry. Now here they will send. Now first time, no, now here next. Second step is what? Write it, download that one. Zip file is there. Go to Google better, okay? Yeah, compared to that site, okay? Step to write it. Download that one. Next, zip file, no? Oracle account you are creating, okay? Yes, extract files. Then this folder is displayed. Then double click that file and then select setup.exe file. Then installation start. Simple. Once you are trying is easy. These steps, write it. Completed. Slowly, at least today you are try it, okay? Yeah. Finished. Setup.exe. After this one finished. Now again last chance. I am showing a what again. This one only finished. Now don't afraid only dead easy. Now here fastly I'm showing only. Why? Because non-technical persons are there. They are telling only again show me. Now here nothing is there. Go to Google better. Oracle software downloads only. You have to type it. Oracle site it will be displayed. Now here through this one. Now here yes here database is option is there. You have to select it. Here only enterprise edition is there. Better option enterprise edition. You have to select it. And now in this one only Windows, a Microsoft Windows 64-bit only is there. Okay, 64-bit, not 32-bit. Here zip folder is there. This is a software. This is a trial software. Don't worry. And now here, yes, here is working properly. And now here, this folder you have to download it. But unfortunately, this is a zip file. It will asking a security reason side maybe Oracle account only. Oracle account is not there means you have to create it. Don't worry, that easy that one. Now, once you are downloading a what that zip folder, then automatically that is okay. Zip folder only it will display. Unzip that one. Now, suppose here in another class already I'm installing only that one. So now here observe here. This is a zip folder is there here like this only. And now here check it out here. This is unzip. Okay, so now right click extract files only. That is everyone knows. Once unzip means here this is automatically this folder is displayed. This is a zip folder unzip means then automatically display no yes 19c home. Double click this one. Then anywhere also setup.exe file is there in my system. Bottom only setup.exe file is there. No, you have to click this one. Double click. Whenever we are double clicking this one, automatically I'm taking a what snapshots I'm creating here. This is the way it will be displayed. Okay, yes. After waiting a what 1 or 2 minutes, then automatically options are displayed one by one by one. We are selecting only. First option is now here, yes, here observed here. This is automatically it will display. Here two things are displayed. Here two radio buttons are displayed. Only you have to select it. First radio button you have to select it. And now here, then so now here another one step by step I will tell you. Okay, easy. No? Yes, only one step is just you are writing something, but this one is very easy. Write it this one. Step 6, write it. Just two radio buttons are there here. Step 6, create and configure a single instance database. This option create a starter database. Set up software only second one. But first one you have to select it. Okay, yeah. Step 6, write it. Two radio buttons. First one select it. Easy, not a difficult. Completed. First read automatically displayed these two. First one you have to select it. Create and configure a single instant database. This option create a starter database. Second one, set up software only. First one we have to select it. Okay na? Finished? Yes, very good. And now observe here. Next option is actual automatically desktop class and server class automatically displayed. After that one, observe here. This is a desktop class and server class automatically displayed. Suppose you are installing a what this software for desktop and laptops means first one only you have to select the desktop class. Otherwise, okay, so now in a real-time project side means always database administrators server class they are selecting, but you are okay outside practice purpose only. That's why desktop class selected. Okay, yes, here. Now next step, write it. All are writing about step 6. Step 6 completed. Nothing is there. This one and this one, the two radio buttons are there. First one you have to select. Okay, yeah. Next, automatically after selecting this step 7, write it. Step 7. These two radio buttons, write it. Desktop class and server class. First one only select. Your trying is easily understandable. Only step 8 was step 9 one of big step is there. Remaining all the things easy. Okay, na? Very good. And now check it out. Actually, in a Windows operating system only, we are installing. Okay, in this one, this software. In this case, Windows side, I'm telling. Windows operating system side, you are installing means always Windows user. You have to select it. Otherwise, it won't work. That's why here concentrate here. Next step is now here slowly observe it here. Whenever you are selecting a what, so now here desktop class after observe here. 4 radio buttons are okay displayed. Don't afraid this one. This Windows user account purpose on. One is what use virtual account is displayed. Use existing Windows user is displayed. Create new Windows user is displayed. And use Windows built-in account is displayed. But unfortunately, anything you are selecting also working because you are a Windows little bit of knowledge is there. Anything also working. But unfortunately, you are a first-time newcomer. Suppose Windows operating system, these users, all the things you don't have an idea means better to select a what last radio button. Yes, automatically Windows built-in account is selected. Okay, so now here this one we are using means use Windows built-in account. So now internally default account is there, no, that will be account that user is selected. You are not facing any problem. That is better. Use Windows built-in account. That last radio button better. And now here that's why I'm writing a what in that class like that. Here select use Windows built-in account. Are you sure you want to continue? It will display. Yes. Write it this one. Next. This Windows select. Next. Not only select. Tick mark this one. Use Windows built-in account. Yes. Yes means next one. Write it this one also. Windows side Windows user. Linux user. Okay. Na? And now check it out. Next step is important. Finished this one. Next step is this one very important. Okay, fine. Here. Now here, this is a big step. This step only, main concept only. And now here, check it out. Slowly observe it here. Screen observe it here. 1 minute observe it here. Here, now you are a first time newcomer. Oracle base, don't worry. Actually, in the real time, they are changing about this path or anything. Don't change in your class. Okay, so in your system only. Why? Because you are a first time newcomer means automatically C colon it will be taking. This is also default. These are all the things default. Here only just 2-3 changes I'm telling. Database edition, yes, enterprise edition is there or not, check it out. If it is not there means select a what enterprise edition. Okay, first step. Second one is Oracle global database name. Global database name is okay, predefined name, this one. This is practice purpose. They are giving a database only. What is the database means? ORCL. This is a predefined, don't worry. ORCL is a database name, predefined database name. Don't give another name. ORCL only you are giving. This is SID. Now, yes, this password and confirm password you are giving. Password means any password you are entering. These passwords you are changing only next class side. By how can I means I will tell you. But first observe here. Yes, whenever you are interested to connect a server by using SQL plus tool is there, no? In that tool side, username system you are giving, no? Then password is which password? This password. Whatever you are installing installation time you are giving a password, that password. Suppose ABC I'm giving. Now here, yes, here also confirm password ABC. That's why whenever after installation try SQL plus tool we are opening, then okay, so now system user is there. In that one, what is the password? ABC. Suppose you are interested to give a what? XYZ, your own wish. So now that's why installation time, whatever password you are giving, only that password through we are connected to the where server in a where after installation side. Okay. But unfortunately, you are forgetting this one, means not a problem. You are forgetting what this one password also. You are changing this password through the SQL prompt possible. Some commands are there. That is the next we are learning. First, you have to connect to sys user, then alter username identified by new password you are giving working. That's why don't afraid these all the things. Just 4 things. One is what? Enterprise edition, you have to select it. This is a global database name, ORCL, you have to select it. Password, confirm password, your own wish, anything also you are giving. Then don't select a what? A container database and pluggable database is there. In a policy onwards, container, pluggable databases are there. In that container database, so many pluggable databases are there. Don't select these two because you don't have an idea. First time newcomer, container, pluggable databases on. Just don't select it anything. Okay. Yes, only you have to select it. Yes, here 3 things only. One is enterprise edition, you have to select it. ORCL is a what? A name you are giving only. That is important. Okay, fine. This is a predefined global database name. Here password, whatever password you are interested, that password and confirm password. Don't select in a container database. Okay. Yes, here. Actually, database administrator creating a what? Their own databases also. Suppose here in my another okay, so no case here RMan1 is a database administrator creating. In another case, I'm telling only one of the class side only. Okay, fine. But here first only now here yes, default database ORCL is there. Okay, this is the ORCL, Oracle Corporation. You want to create your own database means another database name is there. That is configuration assistant tool is there, database connect. Through that one we are creating possible. This is another database name I'm creating in my class only one of these. But you are creating a what? First ORCL, better to write it. Okay, yeah, that's why here this step 8 write it. This is only big step. Step 8 here, this is a drop down box is there. Don't select anything. This is also don't select. Automatically there you go. Okay. Here only enterprise edition, ORCL, password, confirm password, your own wish. In that class, I am giving a tiger, you are giving anything also. But don't select in a container database. Just write it this one. Slowly try it. First write it over this one. Then only you are trying today one of these days. Only enterprise edition, global database name, something is there, ORCL. There is a predefined name. Password, confirm password means your own wish. Don't select in a container database. Finished. Slowly write it. Completed. Very easy. This is the last step. Then are you sure you want to continue? It will display only. Finished. Only these four: enterprise edition, global database OCL, password, confirm password, your own wish. So now don't select any container database. Then here, are you sure you want to continue? It will be asking. Yes, you have to select. Write it. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Okay. Then automatically now here, yes, installation. Okay, so now here started only, but it will take a time. Maybe so now this one is displayed, but maybe 20 minutes or 15 minutes. It will take a time because server means it will take a time only based on CPU. Very fast also your system. It will take 15 minutes or 20 minutes only. Okay. Yes, yes, slowly it will be installed. Finished. So now here nothing is there. Then how can I open that one? What is the password we are changing and which default user? Those all the things again big concept. And now here write it this one. Step 9. Automatically installed Oracle 19c database. Finish. Okay, na? This is the first step, installation step. Again, second step is what? After installation, we are opening SQL Plus tool. Which user? How can I change that one? Yes, how can I change a passwords? These are all the things. Tomorrow better. Why? Because first day, one day only all the things is confusing. Now something is there. Okay, so now here these are all the things, and also we are changing the colors. Those are all the things I'm telling. Then installation finished. Okay, that is tomorrow better. Okay, first time no. Up to this one. Just anybody interested to try it, means try it. Otherwise, tomorrow we are completing what that installation is. Try it. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you the remaining installation. Okay, up to this one, installation finished. Then environment, how can I? What is that one? Something is there. Don't worry. Users passwords changing. Suppose in my system, I'm changing the colors like this. Now, how can I? Actually, black color. How can I? So now here, how can I change that colors and all these things? I will tell you next. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you those all the things. Understood? This one very easy. Okay. After completing this one, yesterday ID I'm giving 5 o'clock only regular session that is also connected. Okay, 5 o'clock connected. Thank you. Tomorrow at 3 p.m. and today at 5 p.m. Thank you. 5 p.m. we are connected. Okay. Communication onwards we are starting now that one. Yeah, very good. This is a back. Up to this one is enough. Another class is there. That's all. Thank you. Chetan, you're asking about 3 months means more than 3 months. Okay, yes, because so much of syllabus is there. Parallelly, you are attending means maybe 3 months. Okay, yeah. One of this stage, I will tell you parallelly once you are good at basic SQL means parallelly you are attending. Otherwise, first onwards also you are great. Okay, I will tell you those things. Okay, today 5 o'clock you have to connect it. Thank you.